Okay, so the best way to do this, as I've said before, is to actually first ask the question, and the question should actually be a yes or no answer type thing, and then pause it if you need to ask the question, then keep going because I'm about to turn the cards. All right, so the top is fire and the bottom is water, which is the lake. So then I look on this. I'm hoping you can see that properly. So anyway, in the book, on top is my 9, on the bottom is the 7. I link them together and it gives me 38. So for 38, and this is what you've got to look at, this is fire. So the fire has a solid line, broken line, solid line. So it is contained, all right? The lake has a broken line on top and 2 solid lines. So wherever the odd line out is of these, that's who it is. It's yang or yin. So the broken line is the odd line out, so it's female. The middle line is the odd line out, so it's female as well. So both are yin. So this is kind of fire over the lake. By nature, fire rises, and by nature, water descends. So it's left with a gap, a hole. When there's this hole or gap at the same time, when we're looking at them elementally, check what fire is for you and then check what water is for you as well. It's not really water, it's called the lake. The lake has water, and that's why we call it that. Um, this is about lack of expression. Whatever your question is, it's lack of expression. There's actually no communication. There's like you're disagreeing. Like there's no way you're disagreeing that fire can't heat up all that water, and then water can't put out all that fire. That's it's a really useless disagreement. And because when this happens, then it's not a good sign. And the only way this becomes fortunate or prosperous is if there's no blame. So that's really what you've got to do. You've got to look through the harmony, through the differences, and that's when it will flourish. It's basically at the moment it's about misunderstandings, and when you are being influenced and there are misunderstandings, then that's how you basically get fear. So if I look up what the trigram of that on top of that is, it's 38, and 38 is basically it says don't cut your nose off to spite your face, avoid unplanned and go with the flow, because that's how the universe works, and don't misunderstand it, go with it for the lesson. So there's bonds are broken here, there's a lot of doubt, there's danger in what's hidden. Okay, so what's hidden, the lake, all you see on top of the lake is this beautiful blue water, etc. But what's down here, you don't know. All you see with the fire is the outer, you don't know what's inside, keeping it flamed. And that's how it is. So what you've got to do is rise above it. Just like this fire rises above and it goes above, that's how you've got to do. So what your question is, it means there is no blame. If you're going to blame with this, nothing is going to actually work with it. So it's only a good sign if there's no blame. All right. Okay, so this is also so everybody that actually came to a workshop, all the your names are in here. So the person that won last time still hasn't contacted me, even though I texted her. So I think I've given you enough time, etc. So we're going to pick out, and then hopefully there's a number. Okay. All right. So this is Rina, and I think if I've spelled, I think you came to Craigieburn not library, Craigieburn, which is Xavier's friend. Xavier's place. So you could have been a friend or someone that went there. It was the only place to go at the time. So I will actually text you. The rest is up to you. And that's it. So hopefully that has helped you. If you do need a set of these cards, let me know. If you need a calendar, let me know. All right. Have a great day.